In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Salesforce. Setting reminders is a crucial skill, especially if you're juggling multiple tasks and events in a busy work setting. With reminders, you can ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, and you manage your time effectively. Let's dive in by starting on Salesforce. The first move is to navigate to your profile picture or avatar located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. If you're using Salesforce Classic, you might see it labeled as My Settings instead, so keep an eye out for that. This is where we start configuring your reminder settings in Salesforce. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll notice a Quick Find box at the top. This is a handy little feature that helps you locate various settings quickly. In that box, type in Activity Reminders. As you type, it should auto-complete, bringing up the desired option under Calendar and Reminders. Click on that to access the settings specifically designed for reminders. Now that we are in the Activity Reminders section, let's tailor these settings to suit your needs. First, you have the option to show reminders. By selecting or deselecting the Show Reminders option, you can control whether a pop-up window appears to notify you of tasks and appointments. Think about your workflow preferences here. If you prefer on-screen nudges as a reminder, make sure this box is checked. Next, focus on the default timing for your tasks and all-day appointments. This is where you decide how much advance notice you get before tasks are due. There's a setting that reads Set Default Task and All-Day Appointment Reminders to, followed by an option to specify the default time. For instance, you may want those reminders to appear 0 minutes before the due date or perhaps a bit earlier. Consider what's most helpful for you in staying on track, whether it's immediate or with a bit of a buffer. Following that, address the timing for event reminders. Similarly, locate the setting labeled Set Default Event Reminders to. Again, specify how many minutes, hours, or even days in advance you want to be notified. This is especially useful for meetings or appointments where you might need extra preparation time. After you've set everything to your liking, the final step is simple. Click Save. By doing so, you make sure all your adjustments are locked in. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly beneficial for keeping your schedule organized and ensuring you don't miss important obligations. And there you have it. You've just configured your reminder settings in Salesforce, making sure you're always ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful Salesforce tips.